Hello everyone, it is day 2 of how to draw a sketch tutorial. Drawing is just a process of making shapes, lines and values on top of each other until you get your desired result. In this first lesson of drawing, we are going to focus on the process of sketching. So first you have to draw a straight line like this without using any ruler. To do so, that adjust your grip on the pencil so that your hand is relaxed instead of tense. It's okay if your lines are wobbly and you can't draw straight line. Drawing is very different from writing. So you have to improve your muscles memory by drawing frequently, like every day. As a beginner, you don't need to be a perfectionist. You have to focus on general shapes, size and angle. So the last thing you think about is detail. So let's sketch some circle together. I'm drawing a circle here. Don't worry if your lines are going in weird directions. It's likely that you're not going to draw something perfect the first time. So when you have drawn the circle first time, you find where the circle needs improvement and sketch over it until you get the desired result. So the basic thing is that we have to make layers until we get the desired circle. Refine and then it becomes completely good circle. Keep repeating that step until you get even closer to what you want. Like this, you can draw any shapes which you want to draw. Like I'm going to draw a square here. So basically I am doing layering of the horizontal and vertical lines over here to make a square. So till then you refine the shape until you get your desired result, and you can erase that scribbling lines which comes outside. So now I am going to draw some scribble lines or wavy lines like this. So you practice more lines like this to get perfection on the line drawing. I'm going to make some triangles here. Till then you just refine the shapes, you get the desired result like this. Just refine and define. So if you get your desired result, just leave it. If there is some scribbling lines like here, you can erase that lines and you get the perfect shape of the triangle. I'm going to make some more shapes to practice. So here, this one. Again, you don't need to be good at drawing straight lines or having amazing control of your pencil in order to be able to sketch. Having good control just means that your drawing will look cleaner and in turn more precise form. So your homework assignment is, you don't have to be a perfectionist. Focus on the shapes instead of the details. Use a gentle amount of pressure on your pencil. Avoid tension on your pencil. Just practice all the straight lines, shapes, wavy lines on your sketchbook. Remember these points. Make loose sketch, then you refine the shape and refine it further again, and then define the desired shape. This is all about episode 2 of this tutorial. Let me know if you improved your drawing and how this episode help you draw better. Thank you. Let's meet in another episode.